Hello, I'm Salih. Welcome to my channel and new video, friends. Today I'm going to introduce you to our 86 square meter prefab ship you see behind me. We are going to explore inside and outside all together, friends. I'll talk about the materials used. I'll discuss the features of the building, from ceiling to floor heights. I'm going to show you many things up to the broken window. I will scan, friends, in my video. Before we start introducing our house, as a brief information, I can tell you this, friends. Our prefabricated house is 86 square meters, set up beautifully as a village house. We have a beautiful project with 2 bedrooms, an open kitchen living room, a bathroom, and a huge veranda area. In total, we have a nice, useful project of 86 square meters, friends. Houses like this, and to learn about pricing and details, our contact information is in the description below, friends. Our addresses, all of these are available. You can also reach us by email below, guys. Before starting the video, you can subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button at the bottom right. You won't miss upcoming videos if you turn on notifications. Right then, let's start our video. Yes, friends, our 86 square meter prefabricated house. This is how it looks from the outside. There is a laminating process on the outer peak, on the front side to the right, left and below. There is no cladding process in the back section. Green metal trim was used on the roof. Of course, you can choose this red smoked green. You guys can totally choose this. As I mentioned, our house was built as a village house. Let me show you a garden right here. Apple trees, peach trees, plum trees right here. Our customer has made a beautiful garden for himself. Beans, black-eyed peas, etc. Right here, there are tomatoes, peppers, truly in nature. A perfect village house to live in if you are considering village life. Have a nice garden if you want a beautiful garden and happiness. It might give you an idea, friends. Let's take a closer look at our house, friends. The back of this place is completely forest. Greenery all around. It's a beautiful area, guys. As I said, there is a siding coating on the front of our house. The interior and exterior paints of our house were completely done. Our lamp fairies were hung. There is no work left for us. It was completely done. It was delivered, guys. The rough assembly method was studied further. What is the rough assembly ahead? Ground concrete, laminate ceramic parquet, and kitchen cabinet counter work. These 3 pen work will be taken. It was worked on, friends. The building setup, interior and exterior paint, door, window, lamp, socket, toilet, stone sink, taps, faucets. It was entirely ours. Likewise, the shipping, accommodation, and assembly costs were all ours, guys. These were done completely. Now we just need to get the laminate piece, ceramics, and kitchen cabinet made for our customer. Of course, you can request these products from us when you want. You can also get these products from us. Laminate flooring, ceramic. It is a cupboard section, these 2. You can get them from us, friends, but of course the pricing comes out differently for the examples you choose. We need to know what kind of product you want in order to give you a price, in which pattern, in which color. Guys, we need to know what quality of product you want. As I mentioned, don't cover the front face of our house. There is a process, but there is no coating process in AKP fronts. Let me show you this way. There is a peak like this on the side and rear facades. You're seeing our adjoining elements that are 1 in 125 centimeters. Friends, this is of course a matter of preference and budget. You can either have this covered only on the front or get the entire house covered. Slowly like this. Let's go inside our house.
Subtitles MK.
What we call Yalipan coating is like this. Wood grain Yalibik. This is our pressure coating, friends. What happens with multiple layers? Of course, this can be covered with stone unit, natural stone looking materials, or if you want direct natural stone, that's also possible. It can be coated, friends. In this way, the ceiling of our veranda section The attic insulation paint was completely done, guys. Treat your balcony space and your terrace as if it's the inside of your house in an insulated way. It's happening, friends. When our customer turns this into a glass balcony in the future, he can use it comfortably as a room or as a winter balcony. Translation and subtitles by MK. And the roof insulation is completed. It's done, so to speak, friends, of our home. Our ceiling height, which we measured with 2 hands, is our standard ceiling height. Of course, there are options like 2.83 meters as well. As in every house, a decorative steel door was worked on. Of course, we do this. Direct sliding. We can work on a door, guys. This is entirely related to your request. Next to our steel door, in front of the kitchen area, down to the floor, we have a window that's 5 centimeters. Let's ventilate from here. Our customer can serve food in some way. Let's slowly move into our house, friends. Subtitles MK. When we entered through the steel door, friends with an open kitchen living room like this welcomed us to our kitchen section like this. The electrical and water systems are completely done. And on the left side, there is a huge living room area. Guys, let me show you our living room area in detail. There is an open kitchen lounge of 38 meters, which is quite sufficient. As I said in our project, the living room, there is a plaster coating process. You do not see our joining elements in any way, friends. A flat appearance was achieved. Plaster coating in our other rooms. There's no mulch or process. In those rooms, in the bedrooms, on the combination elements, you are seeing this. You can choose this. Of course, this is a budget issue, guys. Here our customer will provide heating with a stove. We can see the openness of our chimney revolutions. Our air conditioning line and open lines are all set up, guys. Our house's indoor-outdoor paint is done. Doors and windows are set. Lamps are fixed, and so on. Our sports activities, our curtain ropes and plasters are completely done, guys. Right after the living room, opposite the steel cap, there's a bathroom area, folks. Here is a brief 4 square meter toilet, bathroom, shower area, and mouth. We have bathrooms like this, folks. As I said, our project is roughly advanced. This is a project we did. Ceramic processes have not been done here yet. Our customer will do the laminate and ceramic processes. Moreover, friends, our customer will have this done themselves. Our bedroom, which is 12 square meters, is immediately to our right after the bathroom. Let me show you. Lamyant parquets have arrived. Their installation will be done. Let me show you our expanded room. We have a 12 square meter room, a double bed, closet space, and counters and such. These fit quite comfortably. In this room, we have a small window, 120 x 120. It's quite enough for lighting in this room. Friends, after this room, finally, let's head to our new bedroom first. On the left side of our building, we have a 14 square meter baby's bedroom. Friends, let me also try to show the width of the room here in the same way. A standard 20 pen was worked on. You see the connectors on the wall? Here, that's what I was talking about. This is how connectors are seen in the standard, but in our building's living room and kitchen section, plaster cladding, plastering was applied. You see it perfectly straight. You can plaster all its rooms and pull a plaster slat, or just pull it in the living room section like this. It may not be withdrawn to other rooms. This is entirely related to cost. related to your budget, guys. Similarly, the facade is busting outside in your stone communication or natural stone coatings. Likewise, it depends on your budget and your taste. In this building, our standard American press doors were used. Our standard doors are like these American press doors. It will be wider, of course, if you want it. We can fully operate the adopters, adopt doors or blanket doors or vacuum doors, friends. Your request is something related to your budget. So folks, that was our 86 square meter prefab house. I tried my best to introduce you to its ins and outs. I tried to tour you around. I tried to talk about the materials used as much as I could, folks. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. To avoid missing upcoming videos, you can subscribe to my channel and open notifications by pressing the bell button. Goodbye. Enjoy the show.